Good fine one home.
It was hard.
Everybody got your ticket ready?
To the semi.
We're just like laying in Nathan's bed waiting for him to get back from hunting. We kind of broke into his house and we're just staying here because that's how we are. I'm kidding, I'm like family, so they don't care. So here we are. I'll give you a room tour. Right here are pictures of me and Nathan. Shoot. Right here are pictures of, it won't zoom. Right, there's pictures of me and Nathan. There's some more pictures of me and Nathan. There's a guitar. And then there's guitars and crap everywhere. So there's Randy. And that's his room. I think he's here. Okay.
Why are you taking a
Back. Look who's back.
video? Why are you taking a video of me?
Look who went hunting.
Yeah. I want to find my freaking shorts.
These people drug me out of my house on a Monday night to sit by a fire. What do you guys have to say for yourselves? But it's pretty and it's warm, so I'm not complaining. And it's pretty. I like fire. Guys, I'm freaking out at how cute this is. Okay, so I went to Kmart a while ago and I got this ornament that looks like my cat Looney. And then I have the ornament that is like old, like it's really old. Someone made it, I don't know. But it kind of looks like Sophie. So on their tree, I put Looney and Sophie. And is that the cutest thing ever? I need to get an L. But that's so cute. There's their stockings. I'm so excited. So cute. Hey guys, so right now there's like a glare that's not on my face. I'm on my way to Daisy's birthday dinner. Daisy is finally 19 and I'm super excited. But first I have to run by my aunt's house because it's also my aunt's birthday and I have to take her, I have to take my grandmother because she's there. I have to take her glasses because she forgot them. So I don't know how she saw to drive there and that's honestly very dangerous. But I'm going there. Also, I did my makeup like a lot today. Like I put on fake lashes and all kind of stuff. So I just did it for the heck of it. I felt like dressing up. I hadn't dressed up in a long time. So yeah, I'm on my way there and I'll probably vlog her birthday dinner and stuff. So see you later. So right now we're at Daisy's birthday dinner.
Somebody post her every day out on YouTube.
And here everybody is. And then here's some more people. Oh, I can't do this. And then here's Nathan and Austin. Say hi. This is a picture or video? It's a video.
It's a picture.
I'm just like getting it. No, it's not like a panoramic like picture. It's like a video.
Panorama did the picture.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daisy. Happy birthday to you.
Now, blow your
So I just shot skeet for the first time and I got it the first time I did it. And
Well, who are you videoing?
Yo, for my vlog.
Well, here, hey, you can attach my video to the back of it. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh!
Hey guys, so I am currently getting ready to go to Randa's little cousin Sam's 8th, I think it's his 8th, I'm not sure, his birthday party, and it's a Nerf gun war thing. So everybody's wearing like camo, so I dug out my old combat boots, and I found this old army jacket that I don't know who the heck it was, and then I had this shirt, and then I put, I'm like so extra, I put Dave on the army jacket, and then I put like lines on my face. So very army-esque today, but it should be fun. We're about to go on the slide and we're gonna die. It's a real big drop. I'll show you. Drop. Are you ready, girls? Oh no!
Long spaghetti.
Pretty good size. I mean, the store itself ain't that big, but the warehouse itself,
You know where he'll be getting feed from?
Florida,
Florida. Will he be getting it from FRN? I mean, FNR?
probably so.
Huh?
Probably so.
Yeah, girl.
He'll wind up putting Jessup Newman on.
No.
Wow. Happy Thanksgiving. It's pouring rain and cold. But it's okay. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. I'm about to actually go to, this is my outfit for today, by the way. My room's a mess, ignore it. But yeah, I'm about to go eat with Nathan's family, and they actually eat at Western Sizzling. So we're eating there first, and then we're gonna go see all his other family, and then we're gonna go to my family, and then I'm gonna go see Myrrh, and then I have to go to work at 8 and work from 8 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. So I don't get to relax tonight. So it's gonna be a real long day. Right now it's like 11 almost. We're eating at 11:30, so I have to leave soon, but it's gonna be a real long day. So, but it's gonna be great, and I'm glad that I get to spend time with all these people that mean a lot to me. So yeah, I'm ready to eat, boy. I wear a big sweater so I can eat like a lot, and you won't be able to tell. Well guys, I haven't vlogged any today. It's already 7:43. I'm about to go to work because I have to be at work by 8, and then I'm working till 1:30 tomorrow morning. Yeah, tomorrow. It'll be tomorrow. So, I sat and had time to vlog. I've been super busy. We went and ate with Nathan's family, then we went and ate with my family, and then we went and saw Myrrh, and Myrrh came over, and super busy, super good food, super great Thanksgiving. Nathan got his first deer, and I'm so happy for him. Like, I'm so excited. Like, oh my gosh, I'm just really excited for him. I'll insert the photo here. Anyway, so yeah, this is probably, I'm gonna end the vlog here, but happy Thanksgiving. My Thanksgiving was great. I hope you guys got to spend some time with your families and everything, and it was really great, and I'll talk to you guys in my next vlog. Bye. So we just got soaked at college, but we went and got our classes signed up for, and now we're going to the animal shelter to celebrate.
We're probably gonna get an animal, but it's okay. Don't tell my mom.
Yeah, we'll just keep it in the car. I'm kidding. But yeah, and then we're gonna go meet up with Sam and do some Christmas shopping and go eat and maybe go look at lights or something.
Show them how bad this weather is.
This weather's really bad. Show them. I've taught you so well. Okay, bye. Hello.